really important to have a reliable system, starting with the collection system. We want all of our pipes to be in good shape so they are free-flowing. The better we are at treating the wastewater, the better that the waterways of our state are going to be.
Our old plant was, we struggled sometimes with things because it was so old and the community was growing so quick. But with the new plant, we're able to keep everything in line pretty good.
And also as the economic development of the city, we're able to take on way more homes, way more industry. We can build our community far greater than our old facility would ever handle. And we have the space here to even grow beyond what we're designed as right now.
We work hard every single day, and a lot of what we do, people don't get to see. Even sitting in the camera truck, yes, I'm sitting, but you're still hours and hours of running footage to make sure that our infrastructure is in good shape. What do we need to repair that? Make sure that we're not plugging people up or backing people up. It's all very important.
It never stops. Without this operation, you don't think about it because it's kind of behind the scenes. Like I said, it goes away. Society doesn't function in a way. It's part of it.
This place is high. There's a lot of technology. Anything that we would need is almost, we have it here. And for a city the size of Indianola, that's neat. We've got the whole city sewer system to take care of, which includes lift stations. It includes, this whole plant, televising, everything else. So if you have lift stations go down, if we have pieces of equipment go down here, it's, it can be go time in a hurry. You've got to get things taken care of and back online.
To learn more about the Water Resource Recovery Facility and our staff, please visit www.indianolaiowa.gov.